In this video, we're going to talk about this problem that's a pedestrian bridge built above the road is supported by a parabolic arch. The height in feet of the arch is given by the equation h of x equals x times 13.5x. Can a semi-truck with a height of 31.25 feet pass under the highest point of the arch? Use the discriminant to explain. So in this type of problem, no matter what this looks like, it could look like this, where I have to distribute something. It could be x squared minus 4.5x. The setup is exactly the same. So we're going to take this height that they give us, and we're going to set it equal to whatever the height equation, set it equal to whatever the height value is that they give us. So we're going to say x times 13.5 minus x equals 31.25. Now I'm going to go ahead and distribute this in. So that gives me 13.5x minus x squared equals 31.25. I'm going to do two things at one time. I'm going to rearrange this order here and move the x squared to the front. So negative x squared plus 13.5x. Now, when I'm solving a quadratic, which I know I have because my highest exponent is 2, I am going to move this to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 31.25 and get it equal to 0. Remember, the first value is a, the second value is b, and the third value is c. And remember, your a is always in front of the x squared. That's why I rearranged. So now I'm going to use the value of the discriminant to determine if this can actually pass under the bridge. So I'm going to say that, remember, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So I'm going to put my b squared there, which is the 13.5. And then my a, which is negative 1, and my c, which is negative 31.25. And I'm going to determine that value. I am going to go ahead and get Desmos out, which I'm sorry I did not set up ahead of time. And I'm going to use Desmos to do the calculation. So it was 13.5. So 13.5 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times 31.25. 4 times negative 1 times negative 31.25. And you'll notice I got a positive number, 57.25. You will have to list the value of the discriminant, so that way I can check to see if you got that right. 57.25. And then then you have to answer a fill in the blank part of the question, which was the use the discriminant to explain part. So it's actually set up in a sentence frame for you. So we would say, yes, the semi-truck will pass under the highest point of the arch because the discriminant is positive. So either is positive or is 0 will pass. If it's negative, it will not pass, and you would answer no.